Unveil pure elegance. Experience the allure of our exquisite collection, designed to elevate your beauty ritual.
Reveal your natural, radiant glow. Experience absolute luxury for your skin. Every day becomes a beautiful masterpiece.
Experience the art of pure luxury, clasped in elegance, defined by you. Reveal your natural glowing radiance. Experience the ultimate clean beauty routine. Hydrate, nourish, and protect your skin for a radiant, healthy glow that lasts all day. The secret to a flawless finish lies in the blending. Use the sponge to gently press the foundation into the skin for a seamless, professional look. I always start with a neutral shadow to define the eyes. Next, apply mascara from the base to the tips for volume. That is how you achieve a timeless and elegant look. Choosing the right shade is a feeling. It should perfectly reveal your inner light. Pure color, pure confidence on your skin. Experience the gentle touch of pure, radiant light, perfectly blended, naturally you. Reveal your own signature glow from within.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my beauty channel. I'm so excited to show you this. And Sweep It Up belongs for that perfect glow. See how it lifts and instantly brightens your whole face?
Unlock your unique, radiant glow. Experience pure, flawless beauty. Because you absolutely deserve the very best. Before and after, a touch of magic. See the transformation. Feel the luxury. Confidence is beautiful. Enhance your modern elegance with a touch of radiance that lasts all day.
I hope you enjoyed this look. For more beauty tips and stories, make sure to follow.